Hey everyone, Scrapper Brad here. So we finally got some snow, albeit not a lot, but hey, at this point we'll take whatever we can get. And the snow probably won't last very long, it'll probably melt pretty quick. But again, we'll take whatever we can get. Only problem is everything, all my scrap is frozen. So I can't really work on it right now. But I do have a bunch of this e-waste over here that I can work on inside. Why don't we pick some out here? Let's see. This one looks like a fun one. I think it's like a battery charger or something like that. What brand is it? Oh, let's see. Tycon Power Systems. Haven't heard of them, but the business that gave this to me and all this other e-waste, of course, it doesn't work. Otherwise, they'd be pretty nice to sell or try to sell. I remember in one of Nice Junk's recent videos, he talked about, I can't remember exactly what it was he was taking apart, but he was saying that he wouldn't sell anything that he doesn't know for sure absolutely works, and I'm pretty much the same way. So let's go scrap this and see what's inside. Okay, everyone, so we got this inside. I'm really not sure what this is. I think it might be some type of battery charger, something like that. It is fairly heavy. I guess it doesn't really matter since we're scrapping it. I don't know if you can read that, but it says bad. The business that gave it to me says that it does no longer work and really not worth fixing. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Looks like a lot of low-grade circuit boards, but these boards do have what looks like to be some pretty good stuff. Several copper donuts here, some aluminum, more aluminum. Underneath that, I don't know if you can see that, but there's extrusion, a few transformers, and looks like some relay boxes, among other things. So let's get to taking all of these out. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little nut down in there that's holding, it looks like this one in. I don't think I'll be able to get to it until I take these other two circuit boards out here. So yeah, it looks like just this little copper MOSFET was holding it on. Let's see if that'll let me take it out now. All right, that was kind of annoying. Now, I don't know if these boards are really, this board is really worth taking off. This I really can't get off, this one, so I'm just going to leave it in there. All right, now that we've got everything taken apart, let's summarize what we've got. So first of all, we've got this tin shred. Like I said, I couldn't get this little circuit board out, and I don't know if this one's really worth getting out or anything like that. So I'm just going to leave it in there. So here's the covering, just a little more tin shred. Then we got these little fan motors. We got this flat piece of sheet aluminum. We got a few circuit boards, some wire, and I'll go ahead and cut the rest of this wire off here to add. Another little sheet of aluminum, some thicker pieces of aluminum, and this piece of extruded aluminum. Now these circuit boards have, several things on them that I could take off, such as on this one you see that there's that small transformer. On this one I'm going to take these two sheets of aluminum off. They do have some copper MOSFETs holding them in place, and then some screws. I don't know if you can see that, but there's some screws that I'll have to unscrew to take them out. I'll also probably have to take some other things off to get to them, like I'll take these two copper donuts off. I may take this relay box off because it has a small spool of copper and it has the silver contacts. This one I'll probably leave intact. The aluminum came off this one pretty easy anyway. And then I'll just turn these circuit boards in as low grade, or at the yard I go to, they call them board breakage. And right now they're giving about 15 cents a pound. To me, it just makes such a big mess to really break these boards apart and take off everything that's worthwhile. So I really only take things from these boards that are really easy to get. Well, that wraps this up. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.